Welcome everyone, I'm Don Taylor, and I'm here with Jim Houston, and we're on pins and needles waiting for this game to begin.
The only difference is Don's pins and needles are real.
Ow! Let's get this game started. Ow!
Yager. Druken gets hold of the puck. Bertuzzi. One time from the left. Joseph made the save. Naslund. Joseph made the huge save. Delayed call coming up. Druken scoops up the loose puck. Chelios is going to the box for cross-checking.
I hope he enjoys his 2-minute stay at the hotel penalty box.
Detroit will try to work off a little time here.
This is where they can be really exposed by an odd man rush.
Klatt takes possession of the puck. Druken grabs it. Naslund returns it. Jovanovski shoots! Joseph turned the shot aside. Delayed penalty coming up. Detroit is in for a tough few minutes.
They need to break out the big, bad book of defense. Chapter 1, penalty kill.
Herdina gets rubbed off the puck.
Forget baseball, that's a grand slam.
Lemieux shoots it hot. Lemieux scores! It trickled in!
For those of you who like to feast on quality hockey, this guy just served up a smorgasbord. I can't wait for dessert. He did his part to rid the term short-handed of all those negative connotations.
Detroit running a clinic on quick and easy offense.
Tastes so good, they'll swear it's homemade.
Lemieux.
Do you think this is really the way to solve a problem?
Hey, there's no problem here. This game is about fists, not passive fists.
We've got a definite winner here.
And he wins the decision with some heavy collision.
Lemieux wins the draw. Lidstrom shoots the puck.
5-minute major for fighting. Vancouver penalty to number
Vancouver
3.
gets it. Herdina with a breakaway.
5-minute major for
Lemieux shoots the puck. The door is shut by Skudra.
If they had scored on that one, Jim, it would have made for some major embarrassment.
Vancouver no longer has a one-man advantage as the opponent's player returns to the ice. Robitaille. Blocked. Oland jumps on the loose puck. Druken. Kuba gets a hold of it. Solani. And it's icing against Detroit. Shatan gets bumped off the puck. Nieuwendyk is a goal short of making the 500 career goal mark.
When he does make it, it will be a major accomplishment.
Smolinski has a breakaway. Klatt.
One hand is all you need when you can deke like that.
Offside, Vancouver. Cook. He dumps the puck in. Caberlet takes control. Sopel fires it. Scores!
His skills told the story. Now there's nothing but the glory.
With time running down in the first, we have a tie game.
And this has to be a little less than satisfactory for them.
Druken grabs the puck. Chelios goes offside and the play is stopped. Letowski, he gets laid out. Ribeiro takes possession of the puck. Havanov. Nylander runs over Henrik Sedin. Nylander. Westland grabbed the puck. Skudra hangs on for the whistle. Lemieux won the faceoff. Kuba blasts it.
First period.
Naslund in all alone. Shoots the puck. Joseph made the brilliant save. Timonen gets hold of the puck.
And now, for those of you whose favorite part of the game is the first intermission, let the fun begin.
To an upcoming game, as well as tons of cool merchandise.
This is Jim Houston. Sadly, Don got stuck in traffic during a little intermission excursion and will be calling the game in from his cell phone.
Thank Aaron for the unlimited evening's plan.
The Canucks dump the puck in. Robitaille. Robitaille, Skudra with a huge save.
This guy is the league's answer to the Great Wall of China.
Cook. Mowed down.
Great hit. Looks like he's on a roll. Or more like a steamroll.
Door slammed shut by Joseph.
That net is tougher to get into than a subway after a hockey game.
Gets away a hard shot. Skudra made the huge save. Castles. It's one-on-one. Joseph denies him. Solani. Oland with the puck. Fires from the left. Saved by Joseph. Lemieux gets the pass from Joseph. Naslund has the puck. Timonen in control now. Lemieux taken out. Oland takes possession of the puck. Naslund. The Canucks come in offside. Nieuwendyk wins the draw. Shatan. Bertuzzi picks off the puck. He dipsy-doodles around Taberley. Bertuzzi is in the clear.
Jim, his stick is like an extension of his body.
White has been nailed for interference.
Lucky guy. He gets to enjoy the luxurious penalty box suite for 2 minutes.
Somehow I don't think he's pleased, Don. Detroit will play some short-handed hockey.
Time to see what their defense is made of.
Herdina got the puck. It's one-on-one. Rifles it from the left. White has seen his penalty expire, meaning his team's no longer short-handed. Lemieux is away. Shoots the puck. Skudra made the gigantic save. And he hangs on to the puck. Druken, Bertuzzi, got it. Vancouver has it. Oland gets rocked.
It's gonna take more than a hit to stop this guy.
Naslund. He gets laid out. Bertuzzi grabs the puck. He gets nailed. Shoots the puck. Denied by Joseph.
When this guy is on his game, nothing gets by him.
Solani shoots quickly. Stoned cold by Skudra. Henrik Sedin. Shoots it from the left. Saved by Joseph. Lemieux. That's icing. Taberley Castles gives him the business. Nieuwendyk controls the puck. Smolinski now with it. Backhands it. Castles takes it.
Last minute of play in the second period.
Castles shot it. Joseph closed the door.
Great save. Why mince words?
Nieuwendyk has the puck.
I just know the third period will be chock full of excitement. The intermission? Well, less so.
5,000 fans through the doors will receive a $75,000.
So far, so good. It's been a fun game to watch.
And we've got the final 20 minutes to enjoy.
The face-off goes to Detroit. Robitaille. Fires hard from the right. Blocked. Delayed call. Jovanovski is going off for cross-checking.
Let me try and read his mind. I need to find a new color guy. Weird. That couldn't have been him. I wonder whose mind I was reading.
Vancouver gets hit with the penalty.
And Jim, that's gotta hurt their chances in this one.
Vopak blocked. Timonen. Yager grabs the puck. Jovanovski has done his penalty time, and that means his team is no longer down a man. Breakaway! Shot it! Joseph stones him cold. Vopak shoots the puck. Shatan. Scores!
If he keeps putting them upstairs like that, he'll be a candidate for the Golden Escalator Award.
They snatch the lead.
Coming into the third period, we were in a dead heat. Someone had to pull in front, and they were just glad it was them.
Yager.
Lemieux, assisted by number
Stoned by Skudra. Naslund with the puck.
Number 31.
Druken, Oland corrals it. Detroit takes possession. Lidstrom. Breakaway. Checked. Robitaille. Naslund takes control of the puck. Druken. Chelios touches up for icing. Volpot now with it. Castles. Klatt grabbed it. Castles fires it from the corner. Yager. Vancouver scoops it up. Shoots it. Klatt, wrist shot. Joseph denied him.
Stop cold, like a jaywalking rhino.
Yager. Yager fired it. Saved by Skudra.
He shoots, he doesn't score.
Klatt. White grabs the puck. Cook shot the puck. Detroit got it. Vancouver makes a line change. Shatan has the puck. Nieuwendyk takes it. Smolinski has it now. Shatan has it. Skudra made the save. Shatan jumps on the loose puck. Smolinski. Nieuwendyk. Skudra made the save. Druken gets the puck. Bertuzzi, hard shot. He scores!
Everyone likes to define their goals, and that was the finest goal I've seen in a long time.
Detroit has given up its lead at the worst possible time.
We're all even now in this game, and there's enough time on the clock for something big to happen.
Number 9.
Skudra hangs on for the whistle. Lemieux won the faceoff. Yzerman. Boak with the puck. Warner gets it. A little longer to go in the third here with both teams still locked in a draw.
Hey, let me guess. They've got lock draw. Lock draw, Jim, you know. Geez, Jim, don't you have any funny bones?
No, the Canucks dump the puck in. Lemieux, scoop Lemieux, scores! It just crossed the line, but it counts.
Goal after goal after goal. He's nailed a hat trick, and I'm sure he's going to go for more. Oh, baby! Could that goal have been any bigger? That's right. No.
Druken, Skudra is leaving the net.
Let's see if it makes any difference or if it just comes off as desperate.
Naslund takes control of the puck. Oland shoots it quickly.
That shot was wider than an elephant's tush.
Bertuzzi jumps on the loose puck. Fires! White gets in the way. Smolinski. Smolinski fires! Oh, he missed! Jovanovski. Bertuzzi with the puck. Allen grabs it. The Canucks go offside. Lemieux played that one nicely and got the hat trick.
Thanks for coming.
The faceoff goes to Detroit. Robitaille. Shoots from the right. Empty netter.
Last minute, close contest. That goal was this big.
They can't see your arms, Don.
What about now?
Nope. Lemieux, phenomenal save by Skudra, and he covers up. Castles, big hit.
If he hit him any harder, he would have traveled back in time.
Klatt picks up the puck from Skudra. Put it in the books. Detroit disposes of them in regulation time.
That was some mighty fine penalty killing action.
You know, if I had a nickel for every time they stopped a power play, I could probably buy you a new blazer.
I'll have you know this one is...